वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयिवन्
अयिवन्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐऔज्
ऐऔज्
अयवरट्
अयवरट्
लण्
लण्
ञमङणनं
ञमङणनम्
अभै
अभै
घटदश्
घटदश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
अपचठथ चटतौ
चटतौ
अपै
अपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
अल्
हल्
अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
लतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञमङणननां नासिका च
नासिका च
एधैतोगो कण्ठतालु
एतयोः कण्ठतालु
तौतोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ऊतयोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
अकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
अकारस्य दन्त
ओष्टम्
ओष्टम्
खवामूलीयस्य जुह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
अमो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेण विहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेण विहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
भक्तिपरायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
मे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
This we can do next class. Let us do this quickly. This Sandhi from the Gita. Ramaji, you can start.
Yeah. नमां कर्माणि लिम्पन्ति न मे कर्मफले स्पृहा इति मां योऽभिजानाति कर्मभिर्न सम्पद्यते. First line.
Yeah.
Limpanti is spruha. There is no sandhi. Karmapale saptami vibhakti. Na me limpanti. Karmani mam. Na. There is no sandhi. Sharanji in the first line.
Dhatu is lip dhatu.
Yeah.
Dhatu numahama comes. Therefore, limpanti.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, that's okay. That.
Yeah. Then second line, Padyate sa saha, here visarga disappears because saha and yeshaha, there visarga disappears. And karma bihi plus na. Yeah. Here visarga is preceded by vowels other than a and akara, so refa is there. And then yaha abhijanati, visarga preceded by akara and followed by akara, so visarga is replaced by ukara and then guna happens and then purva rupa sandhi happens. Mam here padanta makara becomes anuswara. Makara is followed by hal letter, so then iti.
Next person, Krishnan ji. Next shloka, 15. Sorry, Ganesh, your name is Ganesh ji. Next one, yes.
एवं ज्ञात्वा कृतं कर्म पूर्वैरपि मुमुक्षुभिः कुरु कर्मैव तस्मात् त्वं पूर्वैः पूर्वतरं कृतं. So here mumukshubihi is one word. Purvairapi is purvaihi plus api. Visarga is there, but since it's followed by a, visarga is not born and therefore it is repa is there. So, purvairapi.
Yeah. Which one you're saying? Purvataram?
Purvairapi.
Yeah. Purvaihi visarga.
Purvaihi plus api. So this visarga is not born.
Okay, yeah, yes.
Because followed by a and preceded by again a, so it's not. It's purvairapi. Wait.
Kritam evam. Those are anuswara.
Kritam evam both are. So kritam evam. So makara becomes anuswara, is followed by ka, which is a consonant. And evam nyatva, again anuswara followed by nya, which is a consonant. So evam nyatva. The next line,
Yeah.
kritam and purvataram both are words. So purvaihi purvataram kritam. So here visarga is followed by a khar letter, pakara, and therefore visarga remains as it is. Or upadmaniyam, so we can say purvairafi purvataram. Then tasmatvam. So we can split it as tvam purvaihi. Again, makara becomes visarga. Tvam purvaihi.
Makara becomes?
Makara becomes
Anuswara.
tvam, anuswara. So it's anuswara. And karma eva karmaiva.
Yes.
So here it is, vriddhi is happening.
Vriddhi sandhi.
Vriddhi sandhi.
That's what. So kuru. Kuru is, what is kuru?
Lot.
You do.
We have been chanting karotu, kurutam, kuruvantu, kuru, kurutam, kuruta, kuru. Krudatu, lot prakara, parasmepadi form, madhyama purusha, ekavachana. And what will be the atmanepadi form?
Karoshi.
Karoshi.
Kurute.
No. Lot
Atmanepadi. Okay. Atmanepadi will be
Kurushva.
Kurushva. Kurushva. Kuru is equal to Kurushva. Atmanepadi is Kurushva. Okay, Krishnanji, next one. Shloka number 16.
Kim karma kim akarmeti kavayopyatra mohitaha tatte karma pravakshyami yajnatma mokshe se shubhat. First line, mohitaha, no sandhi there, the visarga stays. Kavayaha api so there there's harsvakara on both sides of room of repa. So ukara and then guna sandhi happens and then purvarupa sandhi happens. So kavayo, then api, then atra. So there
Yan sandhi.
yang sandhi.
Api. Kavayaha plus api plus atra. Kavayo pyatra.
Then previous kim akarma. So kim akarma, there it is just meyalanam. Then kim akarma iti. So there it is guna sandhi.
Guna sandhi? Where?
Kim akarma.
Oh, akarma plus iti. Yeah.
Iti.
Yeah. Kim karma, kim akarma iti. Akarma is na karma, akarma. Karma napumsakalinga shabda. Karma, karmani, karmani. Important shabda. Okay. Therefore, kim. Kim is also napumsakalinga. Kim karma, kim akarma iti. Okay. Kim karma, makara is there. Kim akarma, makara, followed by vowel. Kim karma, anusvara. Makara becomes anusvara. Followed by hal. Okay. Next line.
Second line.
Sharanji, I have a question. Here we can say, instead of we can saying monoswara sandhi also we can say, right?
That is what?
Okay, instead we are always saying anuswara. It's monoswara also we can say it's right, right?
Monuswara. What is Monuswara?
The Kim. Kim is a makara.
What is Monuswara?
I wrote like that.
Monuswara is Makara is replaced by Anuswara. Therefore,
Anuswara.
Anuswara.
Okay.
Monuswara is a rule. Is a
That's
sutra.
a rule name.
It's a sutra. Monuswara is a sutra. I'm saying it is Anuswara Sandhi, it is fine because Anuswara is the Adesha. Therefore, Anuswara Sandhi.
Okay.
Yes.
Second line, last one is Ashubha. Moksha is Ashubha, there Purvarupa Sandhi. Then Yajñatva, there it is Yat Jñatva. So there Chashu Sandhi happens, and then Shutva Sandhi happens. So it's Yajñatva.
Yeah.
Pravakshyami is
First it is Yat. Yat becomes Jastva. Yes, Yad. Then becomes
Yad.
Jakara. Jastva Sandhi. It's not that. Nya is, the first letter is Jakara. Jakara plus Nya. Jakara. Nya. Nyatva. So Yat becomes Yad and Yad becomes Yaj. Yaj Nyatva. Okay.
Pravakshyami is the Kriya Padam.
Yes.
Tatte karma. So tat te just
Here also you can say Tat plus Te. Tat becomes Tad and Tad becomes Tat again.
because of Karicha.
Chatva Vidhi. So first is Tat plus Te, Jastva Vidhi becomes Tad plus Te, and later apply Chatva Vidhi, Tad will become Tat.
Tat. Okay.
Tatte. Next shloka, Sumati, number 17.
Karmano hayapi bodhavyam. Bodhavyam cha vikarmanaha. Akarmanascha bodhavyam. Gahana karmano gatihi. In the first line, Visarga is written because it's avasana. Vikarmanaha. Then bodhavyam cha, it is Anuswara Sandhi because Padanta Makara is followed by Hal. Then same thing.
Okay, yes, yes.
Then Bodhavyam also, I think it's the same one. It's Anuswara Sandhi. Hayapi is Yan Sandhi, it is he plus api. And Karmano is Visarga followed, it will be Karmanaha plus he plus api. So it will be Visarga followed by hash. So it becomes Ukara and Guna happens.
Followed by hash, preceded by A.
Preceded by A and followed by hash and preceded by A. Ukara happens and Guna. So you get Karmano, he plus api. Then in the second line, same thing, Gatihi is Visarga is written because it is Avasana. So same here, Karmano, Gatihi also. It is Karmanaha plus Gatihi. So Visarga preceded by Akara and followed by Hash. So you get Karmano, Gatihi. Then Gahana, I don't think I could see anything. Then Bodhavyam, same. Yes, Sharanji?
Yeah, continue, no problem. Gahana is Strilinga goes along with Gatihi. Okay.
And Bodhavyam is also Anuswara Sandhi, Padanta Makara, followed by Hal. Then Akarmanascha, it will be Akarmanaha plus Cha. So here Visarga followed by Kar letter, so it becomes Sakara, and Sakara in contact with Chakara, it becomes Shutva Sandhi, Shakara. So it becomes Akarmanascha.
Yeah. Next shloka. Lataji, you can do. Verse 18.
Karmanya karmayaha pashed karmani cha karmayaha sabuddhiman manushyeshu sayuktaha krutsna karma krut.
Pashed, if you say, then you have to say akarmani, not pashed karmani. Pashed akarmani or
Pashed karmani,
pashed akarmani, not karmani.
pashed akarmani. Pashyet akarmani cha karmayaha. So here we have karma. Yaha visarga remains because it's avasana there. Karmani pashyet akarmani, that jastva sandhi happens, and then that takara becomes pashyet akarmani, and then that's melanam, takara and akarmani. Yaha pashyet, that visarga is retained, followed by because of the pakara there, and then it's upadmaniyam. Karmanya karma. Akarmaha, karmani plus akarma.
Yes.
That's yan sandhi there. Next line, kritsna karma krit. I don't see any sandhi there. Krit, that I couldn't figure that out, that part. I had a question. Is there a sandhi there with the kritsna akarma?
There's no sandhi.
There's no sandhi there. Okay. Then yuktaha plus kritsna karma krit. Yukta, that's visarga followed by ka and ka, which visarga becomes the visarga remains, and
Otherwise jikvamulya. I mean, other
jikvamulya,
which is
black
pronounced.
note there. And then there's saha plus yuktaha. Saha, because of saha and yeshaha saha, visarga is dropped to follow there. Buddhiman manushyesu, I don't see a sandhi there. Saha again is the same thing. Visarga is dropped because followed by a letter. Saha, because of
Why this
saha.
rule is not applied? Padanta nakara, why did it become repa? Buddhiman
Because when we have saha and
no, not that one. Buddhiman manushyeshu. Buddhiman nakara, padanta nakara. Padanta nakara becomes repa, we saw before.
Yeah, Buddhiman Manushyashu. No, I don't know. That
Anybody?
one I forgot.
Why it doesn't happen?
Not followed by chav letter.
Not followed by chav.
Not followed by chav. Simple. Padanta nakara must be followed by chav. The chav must be followed by Only it can happen. Followed by makara. Makara is not chav letter. What are chav letters?
Chatata.
Leave out khapa, other things, other letters. Leaving out,
Chatata.
Leaving out the first class. Yeah. Yeah. So leaving out the first and second letter of the first class and the fifth class, other letters belonging to the first letter and second letter of all the classes comes under chav. So makara is fifth letter. So therefore doesn't happen. Buddhiman remains Buddhiman only.
Okay.
Then Saha Buddhiman.
Saha Buddhiman. Saha Visarga is dropped because it's Saha. Because of the Saha and Esha. Saha and Esha has Visarga is dropped there.
Next person. Kameshwari. Number 19.
आर्यस्य सर्वे समारम्भाः कामसङ्कल्पवर्जिताः ज्ञानाग्निदग्धकर्माणं तमाहुः पण्डितं बुधाः. First, Varjitaha, that is Avasana Visarga, that will remains the same. Kama Sankalpa, that we can write as Kama plus Sam plus Kalpa. Varjitaha. So here Sam becomes Sang, that is Parasavarna. Anuswara is replaced by Savarna of the fifth letter of Yai. The following Yai.
Fifth letter of?
That group, Yai letter. So it becomes Sankalpa.
But Kama Sankalpa Varjitaha, one word.
Okay.
It's one word.
No need to split.
You cannot split. It's a samasa.
Okay.
Kama plus Sankalpa plus Varjitaha Kama Sankalpa Vajitaha, it is one word.
Okay.
So the samasa sandhi happens. Sankalpa alone, if you take, yes, sam plus kalpa, that sandhi is spotted out. It's okay. Good. Continue.
Samarambaha Kama. So it is followed by Ka. So it is Jitva Muliya. That Visarga is Jitva Muliya, the Visarga will come. Then Yasya
Jikva Muliya, Adda Visarga. Adda Visarga comes, and Adda Visarga is pronounced from the root of the root of the tongue. That's why it's called Jikva Muliya. Jikva Muliyasya Jikva Muliyam.
Okay. Then Yasya Sarve, I think no something.
Okay, second line.
Second line Buddhaha. Buddhaha is again Avasana Visarga. Then Panditam, this is Anuswara. Since it is followed by Hal letter, it becomes Anuswara. Tamahuhu Panditam. Here it is Upadmaniyam, Ardha Visarga, because of Upadmaniyam. Then Jnana Agni. First word, Jnana Agni, that is Savarnatika Sandhi. Karmanam is Anuswara.
Jnanagni Dagda Karmanam is one word.
Okay.
Jnanagni Dagda Karmanam Tamaguhu Panditam Udaha. Okay.
That's all, no?
That's all, yes. Let us see one Subhashitam and then we will see Tum Pratyaya. Kimapyasti svabhavena sundaram vapya sundaram yadeva rochate yasmai bhavetasya sundaram. First line, Ramaji, you can split that.
Yeah. First line, Swabhavena Kim plus Api plus Asti. Swabhavena. So,
Asti Kriyapadam.
Asti Kriyapadam. Yeah.
Second line, Ganeshji.
Sundaram, Vapya Sundaram. Vapya Sundaram seems to be one word. Sundaram, Makara becomes Anuswara Sandhi, followed by.
What is Vapya Sundaram?
Va plus Api plus Sundaram we can see.
Yes.
Yan Sandhi, Vapya.
Vapya Sundaram, yes. Va
plus Api
plus
Sundaram.
Va plus Api becomes
Vapi.
Vapi plus, not Sundaram. Vapi plus Sundaram, Vapi Sundaram it will be.
Then it will become Asundaram.
Asundaram. Vapi plus Asundaram, Vapya Sundaram.
Vapya Sundaram.
So Sundaram, Na Sundaram, Asundaram. Opposite of Sundaram is Asundaram. Both are there. Next line, Krishnanji.
Yaddu eva rochate yasmai. Yaddu eva.
Yaddu plus eva. Ideva. Rochate Kriyapadam. Rochate is Kriyapadam. Next line, Sumatiji.
Yeah. Bhavet tat tasya sundaram. Bhavet is ling lakar.
Yes, ling lakara. Good. Yes.
Then, yes, Shanji.
Yeah, Bhavet.
Bhavet plus tat.
Plus tasya.
Tasya sundaram.
Bhavet tat tasya
Tat
sundaram.
tasya sundaram.
Understand the meaning of the Subhashitam? You can make out. So, kim api asti svabhavena. Can you all hear me? Is my voice clear?
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes,
Kim api asti svabhavena. Asti. Kim asti. Kim is not a question here. Whatever is there, svabhavena, by nature. Sundaram va api sundaram. Whether it is sundaram, beautiful, or it is not. Asundaram, not beautiful. So, sundaram va asundaram Kimapi asti subhavena. Kimapi asti subhavena sundaram va api sundaram. Yat rochate yasmai. Yat eva rochate yasmai. Bhavet tat tasya sundaram. So, Sabhavena sundaram va api sundaram. What we generally classified, there is nothing like sundaram asundaram. What one likes, yat eva rochate, rochate ruch dhatu, yasmai rochate, that which is like, that which is one likes, that which one likes, tatu tasya sundaram. That is beautiful for that person. Okay, therefore, Kim api asti sabhavena sundaram va api asundaram. That classification itself is not correct. That is sundaram asundaram. There is something called sundaram asundaram. That which one likes is sundaram for that person. Tat sundaram asti tasya. Tat tasya sundaram bhavet. Yat yasmai rochate. Yat yasmai rochate. Tat tasya sundaram bhavet. Yat yasmai na rochate. Tat tasya asundaram bhavet. That's all. So sabhavena sundaram asundaram iti kopi vastu nasti. That which one likes is called sundaram. That which one doesn't like, or doesn't have ruchi, like interest for it, then it is called a sundaram. This is the meaning. Now we will continue with Tuman Pratyaya. Just recalling what we saw. Tuman. Tuman is a Krit Pratyaya. About Krit we discussed a lot. Tuman Pratyaya is a Krit Pratyaya. It's an Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya. Okay, in the last class, this confusion was there. That is when it will take guna, kit, and akit, apit, and out. Remember this rule. When a sarvadhatuka or ardhadhatuka pratyaya follows the anga, it will cause guna. This is general rule. Anga karya will happen. You can remember like this. Anga karya will happen when a sarvadhatuka or ardhadhatuka pratyaya follows. Anga karya will happen. Anga karya in the form of guna or vriddhi, whatever it may be, it will happen. If the pratyaya is kit, whether it is sarvadhatukam or ardhadhatukam, if the pratyaya is kit pratyaya, then anga karya is negated. Anga karya will not happen. Okay. So whether it is sarvadhatukam kit or ardhadhatukam kit, anga karya will not happen. This is number 2. And number 3, what we learned from the very beginning is sarvadhatukam apit. Sarvadhatuka apit will be deemed to be a kit. Even though it is, you don't see kakara as an ith letter in the pratyaya, if it doesn't have pakara as the ith letter, then it will be deemed to be a kit. And being kit, therefore, anga karya will be negated. That's all. These are 3 points you need to remember. Sarvadhatukam apit, that will cause guna. Who negated? I mean, who said it will negate? So it will cause guna, anga karya. Sarvadhatukam apit will cause anga karya, no problem. If it is not pit, then it will be kit. And kit negates anga karya. Okay. This is the basic rule. You need to remember this. 3 points. Anga karya will happen when a sarvadhatuka or ardhadhatuka pratyaya follows. Number 1. Anga karya will be negated if it is kit. Number 3. If it is a sarvadhatuka apit, it will be deemed to be kit. Therefore, anga karya will be negated. Remember this 3. Okay. Now coming to Tuman. Tuman is a Krit Pratyaya and it is as Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya because Sarvadhatukam is thing and shit. It is not a thing Pratyaya and it is not a shit. Therefore, it is Ardha Dhatukam. And the important thing what you need to remember when you say a Pratyaya is Ardha Dhatuka is it will take it agama. Important. If the Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya begins with the Val letter, Val is what is Val? All the letters excepting
Yakara.
Yakara. It's called Val. So Valadi Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya will take it agama. And whether Dhatu takes it agama or not, you can refer the Dhatu Kosha. Even in the Dhatu Kosha, if it is given, sometimes it will not take it. So those things we'll discuss later. We need to discuss it, Vyavastha. It's a separate topic. For that, we need to learn a lot of other things. Then we will learn. This much you remember. Valadi Ardhatuka Pratyaya will take it agama. So Tuman being Ardhatuka Pratyaya and it is a Val letter, Takara. Tum is the content, Takara. So therefore, it will take it agama. If the Dhatu can take it. Otherwise, no. Okay. And the Tum Pratyaya. The Tum Pratyaya gives you the Avyayam. Avyayam. Therefore, it is not declinable. The forms will be same. And in what meaning Tum is added? When there are two actions taking place, one action followed by another action. That is, a Kriya is done for the sake of another Kriya. The second Kriya will take Tum Pratyaya. Samanyataha Uddesha Kriya Vachaka Dhatoho. Uddesha Kriya, that is the Kriya which is going to be accomplished. The Kriya which is going to be accomplished. A Kriya is done for the sake of Uddesha Kriya. That Uddesha Kriya will take Tum Pratyaya. Another important thing is two Kriyas. Can these two Kriyas have separate Karta? No. If it has separate Karta, then you cannot add Tuman. It should be the same Karta. Samana Karta is important. Rama goes to the dining hall to eat. Same example. Rama goes to the dining hall to eat. Who goes? Rama goes. Goes for what? Why? Why this going Gamana Kriya is done? For the sake of eating. Karta is for both the Kriya is Rama only. Suppose Rama goes to the dining hall, Krishna eats. You cannot use Tuman because Karta are different. Rama goes to the dining hall and Krishna eats. You cannot join this sentence because the two Kriyas done by two different persons. Therefore, you cannot use Tuman. The Kriya must be done by the same person. One Kriya followed by another Kriya by the same person. The second Kriya is going to be accomplished. That is a wish of the Karta. Okay. This much you must know before getting to Tuman. And I gave some examples. Now we will see how it is derived and how it is. We see some examples. Derivation part, nothing big in that. Dhatu plus Tum. Tum being an Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya, it is not a Kit, therefore it can cause Angakarya. Number one. That is the main thing. And if the Dhatu can take it agama, add it. When you add it, it is an agama. It becomes the integral part of the Pratyaya. It becomes the integral part of the Pratyaya. After adding it only, you must do the Angakarya, not before that. So it is Antaranga to be done first. Angakarya Bhagihi. Antakarya is Bhagiranga later. So when you add it, Yagamaget, it becomes the integral part of the Pratyaya. If plus tum becomes itum. Then you can do Angakarya if it is possible. Okay. Always remember, Agama is Antaranga, to be done first. Like in mathematics, when there is plus, multiplication and division and then minus, which takes priority first, the multiplication or division, that must be done first and then only addition and all. So similarly, here also, Antaranga, this Agama is Antaranga. So these are the points you need to remember for the, not only for Tuman, for all the topics which we are going to discuss. And we have seen there are 3 types of these dhatus in terms of Agama. Actually, it is not the dhatu taking it Agama, it is a pratyaya. But the dhatus are referred by the it Agama. Pratyayas only take it Agama, not the dhatu. If dhatus take it Agama, what will happen? If the dhatus take it Agama, what will happen? All the dhatus will have the letter E before. That's a problem. Then why should we have dhatu? If it Agama is added to the dhatu, all the dhatus will be having E. So you will not have any dhatu beginning with any other letter, only Ikara will be there. So Ittagama is not for the dhatu. Please remember this. Even though we say Set dhatu, Anit dhatu, Vet dhatu, Ittagama not for the dhatu, it is for the pratyaya. Based on the pratyaya, the dhatu is referred by the it. Whether it will take it, if it takes it, it is a Set. Doesn't take it, it is Anit. Optionally it takes it, then it is called Vet. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Up to this? Okay.
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes, sir.
Now, let us see. This one we saw, Gam plus Tum. Gam plus Tum. Here no Itagama. The dhatu doesn't take it. Gam plus Tum. It Vyavastha we will see later, but just try to be familiar with the forms. Here Itagama doesn't come. Gam plus Tum. Gam Makara followed by, it's not Padanta Makara. It's followed by Hal. So what will happen to Makara? Padanta, Apadanta Nakara followed by Jal will be replaced by?
Anuswara.
Anuswara.
Please check the rule, Sandhi rule. Monuswara is one rule. Padanta Makara becoming Anuswara. And another rule also is that Apadanta Makara or Padanta Nakara when followed by Jal, that also becomes Anuswara. So becomes Gam Anuswara. Then Anuswara, Gam plus Tum. Anuswara followed by Yai. So it is replaced by Parastavana, becomes Gantum. So Gam becomes Gantum. Now 2 sentences are there. Ramaha Naukam Arogati. Arogati gets into climbs. Kaha Arogati? Ramaha. Kam Arogati? Naukam. So Ramaha Naukam Arogati. Rama climbs onto the boat. Vanam Gacchati. Who goes? The same Rama. If it is Krishna, then you cannot join using Tumu. Same Karta, Samana Karta. Vanam Gacchati. Kaha Gacchati? Ramaha Gacchati. Kutra Gacchati? Vanam Gacchati. So Vana, going to the Vana. Gacchati, that is a Kriya to be accomplished. Uddesha Kriya. So, Vanam Gacchati. Ramaha Naukam Arogati Vanam Gacchati. How do you join? So Rama wants to go to Vana, forest. So Ramaha Vanam Gantum Naukam Arogati. Ramaha Arogati. Ramaha Naukam Arogati. Ramaha Gantum Naukam Arogati. Rama climbs onto the boat to go. Where? Vanam. In the sentence, Naukam is a karma for Arohana Kriya. Arogati for that karta is Rama and karma karaka is Nauka. And Gantum is Tum, it is Avyaya. And for Gantum, which is also a Kriya is involved in Gantum, going, Gamdatu. Kriya is there. Even though it is an Avyaya, Kriya is there. So it's called verbal derivative. For that, the karma is Vanam. Vanam gantum. You cannot connect vanam to arogati. Vanam, the karma is for gantum, not for arohana. So you have to place it properly. If you swap the karma, then becomes a problem. Ramaha naukam gantum vanam arogati. You cannot say. So you have to place the karma of tum pratyaya closer to it. If you place somewhere else, then it becomes a confusion. Is it clear?
One question, Sharanjay.
Yes.
So here we are saying vanam gantum. Would it be okay to say gantum vanam, or like next to it and after the gantum, or it has to come before gantum?
Yeah, you can place it, but you understand properly that. That's it.
Right. Mhm.
But when you say vanam gantam, it is understood.
Uh-huh.
Even if it is somewhere else, but you have to be able to connect to the gantum.
So if we say
Sentence.
gantum vanam, would it be the same meaning, or does it change the meaning?
Same meaning only.
Okay.
Vanam gantum, agantum vanam ramaha naukam arogati. Even if it is placed somewhere else, but you should be able to connect in the sentence. It's what
Then
is
only
there.
it will look beautiful. Then only it will look beautiful sentence.
Yeah, when we read a sentence or when we speak, vanam gantum, when you say, it is understood. In a kavita, in a poem, it can be placed anywhere based on the meter. So that we need to connect the karma to the kriya properly. If you connect the wrong kriya, that will not make sense. Okay. So now, Ramaji, you can read the next sentence. So you can know this form. Gam becomes gantum. Okay. You have to be familiar with the tum forms now. Second one, number 2.
Father wants to go to village. Pita gramam gantum ichchati.
So same gantum kriya only. Okay. Simple. What that it wants means ichchati. Kaha ichchati, pita ichchati. Pita gantum ichchati. Wants to go. Putra gramam gantum ichchati. So gramam, pita gramam ichchati? No. Gramam gantum. So gramam is the karma for gamanat kriya, not for the ichcha kriya. Right? So pita gramam gantum ichchati. Gramam ichchati means he likes the village. There it stops. But he wants to go to the village. So gramam is the karma for gamanat kriya. Continue. The next one.
He wishes to go abroad. Saha videsham gantum ichchati.
The same thing here.
Yeah. Both of you want to go to school. Yuvam vidyalayam gantum ichchataha.
Yes. Yuvam ichchataha. Gantam ichchataha. Putra gantum vidyalayam gantum. Next person, Ganesh. Now gam dhatu becomes gantum. Now pat dhatu. What will happen to pat?
So pat plus tum. So it agama happens. The content of it is e, and therefore pat plus itum, patitum.
So patitum, the form you remember. It's not pattum, it is patitum. Okay. Patitum. Okay.
So the boy goes to school to read. Balakaha patitum vidyalayam gacchati.
Balakaha gacchati. Kutra gacchati vidyalayam. Patitum vidyalayam gacchati. If you want to add karma, for patitum you can add. Patam patitum. You can say. Goes to the school to read the lesson. Balakaha patam patitum geetam patitum vidyalayam gacchati. Right? Okay. Please read. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Yeah.
The girl went to school to study. Bala patitum vidyalayam agachat. Agachat.
Okay. Simple. So the kala can be anything. The kala of the sentence is determined by the kriya pada, main kriya pada. Agachas is the main kriya pada. So even in the past also, the tum can come. Tum Tum generally means we think it is future, but the tum is applied to all the kala. The main kriya is determined by the thing in the sentence, the kriya padam. And with reference to that thing, kriya padam, tum can be there. Tum can be in the past or present or even in the future. Okay. Continue.
This person went to school to study. Eshah patitum vidyalayam agachyat.
Agachyat. Next one, Krishnaji. Pach dhatu.
Pach plus tuman, pak.
Yeah.
Paktum.
So what happens here?
Shuddha
Okay.
Sandhi didn't happen.
No. So here, pach plus tumun becomes paktum. So now some rules will come slowly one by one. You will see. Pach plus tum. No itagama. Itagama is not there. So what happened here is the chakara became kakara. Chakara became the pach. The chakara became kakara. Now there is a rule. Now in the Sandhi chart, the Sandhi, the recent, the document is number 6. The document now will keep updating by adding other rules. Those are not Sandhi rules. Some may be Sandhi rules, some one or two. Yeah, we are going to add one by one other rules. Other rules which are not Sandhi rules, they are just general rules, vidhi. So the document will keep updating when we learn new rules. So here the rule is chavarga. Chavarga at the end of the padam are followed by a jhal letter. Chavarga at the end of the padam are followed by jhal letter. Chavarga will be replaced by the corresponding kavarga letter. Chavarga will be replaced by the corresponding kavarga letter. Now, I will show you that you can see. I'm just marking it as miscellaneous rules, but it is not miscellaneous. This will be added to the Sandhi chart. And Sandhi chart will not be called Sandhi chart, will be called general vidhi. Okay, in the general vidhi, maybe I can distinguish by some colors. Now you can see this. And do you see the screen? Miscellaneous rules.
Yes.
Please see. Chu. Chu means chavarga. Chavarga at the end of the padam are followed by a jhal letter. Jhal letter will be replaced by kavarga. I have given the number within bracket 8 to 30. It is in Tripadi section. Okay, 8 to 30. Even before Jashtra Vidhi, this rule comes. So, example I have given. I have given for Tavatu Pratyaya, which we are going to see later. You can take this also. Tej plus tum. The same dhatu, another dhatu. Tej plus, let us take tum. What will happen? Tej plus tum. Tej jakara is chavarga letter. Chavarga letter followed by tu. Tu is chavarga. So jakara will be replaced by gakara.
Kakara.
Corresponding kavarga letter. So jakara will be replaced by gakara. After that, what happens? You can say. You know it.
Chatva Sandhi.
Followed by kar
Chatva
letter. So
Sandhi, kar letter,
Good.
yeah.
Jal followed by kar. Therefore, that gakara will be replaced by kakara. You get tyaktum. Tyaktum means to give up. That also we are going to see in that tuman section. So this is a rule. So you can remember this rule number 1. Chavarga will be replaced by kavarga, then followed by jal, or at the end of the padam. Padanta, chavarga also becomes corresponding Chavarga letter, replaced. So in this, paktum, pach plus tum, chakara becomes kakara. So paktum. Paktum means to cook. So you can be familiar with this word, paktum. Okay. Continue.
Mother wants to cook. Mata paktum ichchati. Mother enters the kitchen to cook. Amba paktum mahanasam pravishati.
Yes. Mahanasam is kitchen. Okay. Mahanasam is kitchen. Ka pravishati, amba pravishati. Putra mahanasam. For what? Kimartam paktum. So the question is kimartam. So if you ask kimartam, the answer will come. Kimartam, chaturthi vibhakti, and also tum pratyaya. Kimartam gacchati, paktum gacchati, paktum pravishati. Okay. The next one, Sumati. Han dhatu.
Han plus tumun is hantum. Here,
Nothing happens.
there's nothing happens. Yeah. Antum. 9 jumps to kill the
Actually,
deer.
it is happens. Han plus tum. You can tell me what happens. So the final form is antum only. It looks simple. Melanam has happened. Just not melanam. Just to join the two pratyaya and the prakriti. Something would have happened, and the final form is antum.
Is it padanta nakara?
Apadanta nakara, not padanta.
Apadanta nakara.
Apadanta nakara.
1 minute, Sharanji, I'm able to.
Followed by jal letter. Okay. 8-3-24. That monuswaraha. That rule, after that rule it comes. Apadanta nakara or makara followed by jal will be replaced by anuswara.
Okay.
So it becomes
then followed by jal.
Hum plus tum.
Oh, it's like cupping,
Yes, same.
Yeah.
It is not just like this. It says becomes plus tum. Then anuswara followed by
followed by jal.
Not jal. Anuswara becomes nakara. How?
That is
Parasavarna followed by anuswara followed by
A letter.
A letter.
A letter becomes antam. This I have not shown, but you have to understand like this only. Okay. Even though sometimes you don't see it, you have to apply the known rules and then you get the forms. Antam. Okay. So han to kill, antam to kill. Yes. Now you can read.
The lion jumps to kill the deer. So it will be Simha Mrigam Hantum Davati.
Yes. So Mrigaha Davati. Simha Davati. For what? Antum.
Hantum.
Kim Antum, Mrigam Antum. Continue. Next one.
Then Pa plus Tumun is Patum.
Pa means?
To drink. Pibati.
Yes.
He goes to the Pa becomes Patum. I think here it's just nothing happens. There's no
Pa plus tum, Patum.
He goes to the river to drink water.
Yes.
Saha Jalam Patum Nadim Gachati.
Yes.
Then I went to the hotel to drink milk. Aham Dugdam Patum Upahara Mandiram Agachat.
Yes. Upahara, Ahara, Upahara Mandiram. Hotel. Agachat, to drink. Dugdam. Dugdam is the karma for Patum. Yeah, continue.
Then a lion goes to the river to drink water. Simha Jalam Patum Nadim Gachati. Then
Nadim is the karma for
Patu. For Jalam.
No, Nadi is the karma for Gamanat Kriya. gachati. Jalam is the karma for patam, to drink. Simha jalam patam nadi gachati. Okay. Even if jalam is not there, the sentence will be meaningful. Simha patam nadim gachati. Pot jalam. So jalam is karma for padatu.
Path.
Next person. Lataji, number F. Okay.
Sna plus tumun, snatum. He went to the river to take bath. Saha snatum nadim agachat. Again, the
Saha nadim agachat. Kimartam nadi agachat? Snatum.
Snatum, to take a
Snatum,
bath.
can it take any karma? Not take any karma. Jalam snatum,
really?
you cannot say.
No.
Okay.
So
therefore, sna dhatu, it's an akarmaka dhatu. Take bath. What karma is there for sna?
there's no karma.
Therefore, it cannot take karma. Karma is not there. So you can know the form, snatum. Okay, then continue.
Gau plus tumun,
Not
gatum.
Gau, it is gai.
Oh, gai plus tumun, gatum. Some change happened here. Gai
Okay.
plus
Gai
tumun.
becomes ga. You can note this. Like gai becomes gayati. Kriya padam is gayati. Dhyai becomes dhyayati. Mlai becomes mlayati. Glai becomes glayati. So all these aikara and dhatu, you will see becoming akara. You can just connect with the kriya padam. So gai, gayati, therefore ga. That is a rule. The rule part we will see. So gai becomes gatum.
Okay. This person stands up to sing a song. Iyam Geetam Gatum Uttistati. So, kaha uttistati, iyam uttistati. Kimartam Gatum Uttistati. Geetam Gatum Uttistati. Geetam is connected to Gatum. The girls want to sing. Balaha Gatum Ichati. Ichanti, sorry. Ichanti. Balaha Ichanti, Gatum Ichanti. They would like to sing. They want to sing. Kru plus.
Next.
Okay.
Kru plus tumun, kartum. He goes to city to work.
Okay. Kru plus tum. What happens here? Kru. Guna happens. Angakarya.
Yeah.
Kru becomes kar.
Ar will come, so kar.
In previous, there is no possibility of guna. Therefore, it doesn't happen. With guna, you have to see for angakarya. Underline have any underkarya because it is not ik anta. It is I, H anta. Similarly, sna is not ik anta. So, no angakarya possible. Pa is also not ik. So, in all these dhatus, you see there is no ik or penultimate short ik. So, no angakarya happens. But here in kru, the last letter is ik letter. So, kru plus tum. Ardhadhatuka pratyaya follows, and it is not a kit also. So, angakarya can happen. Kartum.
So, kru plus tuman, kartum. He goes to city to work. Saha karyam kartum nagaram gacchati.
So, saha gacchati. Gamna kriya for that karma is nagaram. Kartum is karyam. Kartum is sakarma kadatu. You can take karma. Therefore, karyam. Okay.
There is no water to have bath.
Yes.
There is no water to have bath. Nanam kartum jalameva nasti.
So here also it is the snanam is going to happen. And the kriya padam is asti, that is now. Kartum, to do. Therefore, to do snanam. Snanam kartum. So this usage also you can note. There is no water to have bath. How do you translate if tum is not known? Jalam nasti. Therefore, water taking bath is not possible. Jalam not there for what? Snanam kartum. Snanam kartum jalam eva nasti. So this is the translation. So you can remember the usage of tum. It can come like this also. So here also asti is there. Asti. And the future kriya is kartum. So therefore that will take tum pratyaya. Snanam kartum. Patam patitum. You can compare with other sentences. Same thing. There is no difference in this. But when you give this English sentence and ask you to translate, then you will have problem if you don't know tum. But now you can see and understand the usage of tum pratyaya. Okay. Continue.
Workers will come to work tomorrow. Karmakaraha karyam kartum shvaha agamisyanti.
Agamisyanti is future tense.
It's future tense.
We will see that. So in future tense also we can use that tense doesn't matter. Kartam doesn't have any tense really. The main tense is determined by the Kriya Padam. So kartam is it's infinitive to do, the action to be accomplished. Whether it is accomplished it is to be accomplished in the past or to be accomplished in the present or future, whatever may be. So for that the kala is not that. The kala is generally it is to be future, but the main kriya is determined by the thing. So therefore we cannot say that it has a kala. No kala for that. Okay, this is kartum. Kuru dhatu becomes kartum. The next one, Ramaji.
Kri plus tumun, kretum.
Kri, to buy. Okay. The na is ith letter. Nakara is ith letter. So kri plus tum. What happened?
Guna.
Guna happens. The last letter is ik letter. So kri
yes.
will become kre. Kretum, to buy.
Yeah. The sister goes to the market to buy fruits. Bhagini kalani kretum pipanim gachati.
Yes. You understand the sentence, right? So
Yeah.
Bhagini gachati, kutra gachati vipanim. Kretum gachati. Kim kani kretum?
Palani kretum.
Palani is the object. Karma.
Karma.
Okay.
Then you go to market to buy the book. Tvam pustakam kretum vipanim gacha. Is a typo, Sharanji, there?
Why?
Vipanim is...
Oh, okay. Vipani, okay. Vipanim gacha. Vipani is Raswa Dirgha, I'm just thinking. Okay. I think it is Rasa only, not Dirgha.
Vipanim.
So tam pustakam kretam vipanim gacha. So kri becomes kretum. Next one, Ganeshji.
1 plus here tumun, I think it is already added here. So itumun, no karyam happens because it is dakara. So simple, vanditum. So a devotee goes to the temple to worship. Bhaktaha devam vanditum devalayam gacchati.
Yeah. So one becomes vanditum. Next one. Yeah, continue.
Then party plus itumun, pathayitum.
What is party? How do you get? Is it a party? Is a dhatu?
Nich Patriya added.
Yes. It's a nijanta dhatu. Pat plus nich will become party. We have seen this. Remember? Pat plus nich. What will happen to pat dhatu? Pat dhatu, first gana dhatu. Nich pratyaya, nijanta, causative. Preranarte nich, we saw. Remember?
10th gana?
Yeah. Then dhatu is not 10th gana. Dhatu is first gana. The first gana dhatu also you can add nich, but the meaning will be prerana, causative, causing to read. It means teach. So pat plus nich, nakara, nit will cause upada vriddhi. So becomes pa. Part plus e, party. So party is a new dhatu. Party is a nijanta dhatu. So the nijanta dhatu you are adding to one. Understand this, Ganeshji?
Yes, sir.
So party plus itum. What is setagama? Set dhatu. So setagama comes. So party plus itum. After that, what happens?
It doesn't become party tutum.
Huh? Party?
Here, Savarna Dirgha does not happen. It is part.
Don't forget the Angakarya. Angakarya is important. Sandhi is Bhagiranga. Later. First you need to do. First you have to do Angakarya. Party plus itum. What denies Angakarya now? Anything denies?
It is ik. It is ik.
Huh? Does anything deny Angakarya? Party plus itum.
No.
Pratyaya is ardhatuka pratyayatum with itagama. Okay, itum. Can you do Angakarya or not? Yes or no?
And there is no kit also.
So therefore it will happen.
It has to happen.
If it has, then you see the party, what is the last letter?
Ik letter.
Ik.
Ik.
What will happen to it?
Pate.
It becomes guna. Pate. Pate plus itum. What will happen? Pate plus itum.
Ayava sandhi.
Ayavada sayadi sandhi will happen.
Therefore, patayitum. Patai plus itum, patayitum. Please don't forget the Angakarya, important. Angakarya first and then only the Sandhi. Sandhi is Bhagiranga with respect to Angakarya. Now you see the order, the Krama. What is Antaranga, what is Bhagiranga? Agama is Antaranga. And compared to that, Angakarya and all Bhagiranga. And Sandhi and all Bhagiranga to that. So that's the Krama. So don't forget the Angakarya. You cannot do Savanadika Sandhi. Right? Not Patitum, it is Patayitum. But if it is a Pat dhatu, it is Patitum. Already we saw that. Pat becomes Patitum. And causative form is Patayitum. Kad, it becomes Kaditum. And causative will be. What is the causative form for Kad?
Kadayitum.
Kadiyitum. Remember, same thing. Okay. Now you can read Ganeshji.
The teacher wants to teach. Shikshakha patayitum ichchati.
Yes. Is it difficult what I say?
No, sir.
Understand, right? Okay. But the only thing is, you are forgetting the Angakarya. Jumping to Sandhi. But before Sandhi, when you add a Pratyaya, you have to remember the Angakarya, whether it takes place or not. Angakarya, when it is negated, it is fine. Angakarya, when it doesn't happen, it's fine. Vand plus itum and all, no Angakarya possible. No equator, no penultimate shortage. So therefore, just adding. Otherwise, Angakarya must happen.
Guna has to take place.
Okay, the next person, Krishnaji.
Ra plus iksha plus ituman.
Iksh.
Break itum.
Yes.
Boys go. Boys.
Pra plus iksh. What happens then? Can Angakarya possible?
Pra is upasarga, so vriddhi happens there, or
Why Vriddhi?
it's guna.
Vriddhi doesn't happen. Pra A plus E becomes Guna, becomes Pre.
Pray.
And Iksh plus Itum. Can Itum do Angakarya to Iksh?
No, Iksh is dirgha upada, so
Not Dirgha Upada. E, in fact, not Upada at all. E is not Upada.
okay, yeah, E is on upada. It has become pray.
Huh? Sorry?
It's A.
No. I'm saying E itself is not Upada for Itumun. Why it is not Upada? Because we have conjunct
Oh,
consonant.
yeah, it's kakara and shakara.
Kakara and Shakara. Shakara is the last letter. And the penultimate is Kakara. So E is not at all Upada. Doesn't come into picture at all. So with the preceding Upasarga, it is joined. Sandhi. Pra plus E becomes Pre. And Iksh is a Set Dhatu. So Itum. So Prekshitum, to see. Ikshitum or Prekshitum all means the same meaning, to see. Okay. Read, please.
Boys go to the zoo to see the lion. Balakaha simam prekshitum tiryak sangrahalayam gachanti.
Tiryak, not Tiryak. Tiryak. Tiryak is that which are horizontal. It's called Tiryak.
Oh,
Animals are horizontal. Human beings are vertical. So, Tiryak is animal, referring to animals. Sangrahalayam, the collection of animals. That is zoo. So, Tiryak Sangrahalayam gachanti ke balakaha. Kimartam prekshitum. Singham prekshitum. To see the
simam
lion.
prekshitum.
Okay, continue.
Kri plus ituman.
Not creed, actually, it is creed. Typo. Call that creed. Creed plus.
Ituman. Creeditum.
Angakarya doesn't happen. Why?
Upada is dirgha.
Therefore, doesn't happen. Only it is a Rasva Upada. So, creed plus itum, creeditum. Okay, then continue.
I go to the playground to play. Aham creeditum creedanganam gacchami.
Yes. Creedanganam gacchami. Kimartam creeditum.
Creeditum.
Okay.
Both the boys want to play. Balakau creeditum icchataha.
Simple sentence. Next person. Sumatiji. Oh, you can do it. Yeah.
Nirt plus itumun is
Meaning of
nirt
is?
means dance, is it?
Yes. Yeah.
Here the guna happens, it becomes nartitum.
Yes.
So both the girls want to dance. Balike nartitum ichataha.
Ichataha, yes.
Then prech plus itumun, it becomes preshtum.
Yes.
Here,
This one more rule is there. I'll tell you. Prach plus itumun. What happens here that chakara is replaced by murdanya shakara. And after that, shtutva sandhi. Okay, so here pra plus cha. What happens? Pra plus cha. This is a dhatu anyway. Prach is a dhatu. I'm just saying, even for this, prach dhatu, pra plus chakara. Can anyone say what happens?
Tukagama comes here because of
Tukagama, yeah.
Yes, Tukagama comes. Please see the Sandhi chart. Tukagama Sandhi. What is the rule for that?
Checha, Haswa, H letter followed by Chakara.
Not
Takara
followed.
is
Yeah, Chakara following the Rasva H.
H letter.
That Rasva H will take Tukagama.
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 Tuk is, content of Tuk is
Takara.
Takara. Please see the rule in the Sandhi chart. It is mentioned the last part of the Sandhi. Very particular for Chakara. When Chakara follows Rasva Ach, Secha, that's a Sutra. When Chakara follows Rasva Akara, then it will take Tukagama. Tuk is a Kit Agama. So therefore added at the end of the Sthani. The Sthani is that Rasva Ach, that Pra is a Sthani. So Prat plus Cha. So now after this what happens?
Jashvasandhi, then Satvasandhi.
That is not Jashtva here, okay? Jashtva is all Padanta only.
Oh.
Straight up by
Shtutva happens.
Shtutva Sandhi. So Takara will be replaced by Chakara. Prach.
Chakara.
That is what the dhatu you see here. Okay. Hey, this is one thing. So Prach is dhatu. Now, there is a rule by which this Chakara becomes Murdanya Shakara, what you see here, Prashtum. So you can note the second rule in the miscellaneous rules. This also I will add in the Sandhi chart. You can see in the screen the dhatus. I'm listing out some dhatus. Brascha, Brasja, Sruja, Mruja, Yaja, Raja, Braja. Do you see the screen?
Yes, sure.
Yes, sure.
So these dhatus, all these specific dhatus, okay, you can see these dhatus, Brascha, Brascha, Sruja, Mruja, Yaja, Raja, Braja, and the dhatus ending with Chakara. What letter? Chakara. That's what we are interested in. Dhatus ending with Chakara or also Shakara. Shakara also is there. These at the end of the Padam are followed by Jal will be replaced by Murdanya Shakara. This is the rule. So these dhatus, these 7 dhatus, 7 or 8, 7 dhatus, Brascha, Sruja, Mruja, Brascha, Sruja, Mruja, Yaja, Raja, Braja, these dhatus, and the dhatus ending with Chakara or Shakara, at the end of the Padam are followed by Jal, will be replaced by Murdanya Shakara. This is a rule. So Prach dhatu is a dhatu ending with Chakara letter. So therefore, it will be replaced by Murdanya Shakara. That is what has happened. Why Murdanya Shakara? Because followed by Jal letter, which is Tumun, Takara. Clear?
Yes, sure.
So this rule, number 2, is an exception to the previous one. Previous also Jakara is there. Can you replace it by Murdanya Shakara? No. Because this is very specific only for these dhatus. Jakara adi dhatus, Jakaranta dhatus. Brasja is Chakara anyway. Brasja, Sruja, Mruja, Yaja, Raja. Only these Jakaranta dhatus, these dhatus, for these dhatus we cannot apply the previous rule. You have to apply this rule only, becomes Murdanya Shakara. Okay, and Vrashcha dhatu. And dhatus ending with Chakara, Shakara. So this will undergo Shatvam. This is another Shatvam. Another Shatvam. So for these dhatus, this rule is exception to the previous rule. You need to note that. For these dhatus, and also Chakara. Chakara also is a previous one, Chavarga replaced by Kavarga we saw. So Chakara is also Chavarga letter. Can it be replaced by Kavarga letter? No, because this rule is exception. This rule follows immediately that Kutva rule, 30, 8 to 30. This is 8 to 31. So this rule will be applied. So with regard to the dhatus ending with chakara and the dhatus, vrasya, brasya, srija, mrija, these dhatus, 6, 7 dhatus, with regard to this rule is exception to Kutva rule. You understand this rule?
Yes.
All of you, can you follow this rule? Any doubt in this?
No.
So Srij
Specific
will
for
become
some
then
dhatus.
Srish.
Sorry?
So Srij, for example, will become Srish then?
Yes, it will become Srishta. We will see that it will become like that. Yaj will become, if you add Srij will become Srishtam, not Srishtam, Srishtam. How it becomes that, one more rule is that. But Jakara becoming Murdani Shakara. Only for that, this rule is we have to see. So, for these 7 dhatus and for the dhatu ending in Chakara or Talavi Shakara, when followed by Jal or at the end of the Padam will be replaced by Murdani Shakara. This is a rule. And this rule is an exception to the previous rule also. That you need to remember. Because Chakara, even though it's a Chavarga letter, it is not replaced by Kavarga letter because of this rule. And similarly, the other 7 dhatus, very specifically those 7 dhatus. For those dhatus also, you don't apply the Kutva Sandhi, you apply this Shatta Sandhi, exception. Please note this. Please note this.
I have one question. I don't recollect this Kutva Vidhi.
Kutva Vidhi, what we saw just now before.
That is called Kutva.
This is the one we saw just now.
Right. So it is called Kutva Vidhi.
Called Kutva, yes. Okay. So, I will send you these 2 rules by WhatsApp. Later when you see other rules, then I can send you the whole file. There's some more rules that we added. Now you can remember these 2 rules. You can write it down. Now, therefore, what will happen to Chakara now? Chakara followed by the what letter? Jal letter.
Jal letter.
Even if it is not Ituman. Okay. If it is Itum, it's a Jal letter. Is the Jal letter follows?
No.
No. E.
E is, yeah.
Then how can it become Prash? Cannot happen. Therefore, E is a mistake. Okay.
Oh.
E is a mistake. It cannot happen. It's a copy-paste problem. Okay, so Prach now, the Chakara is replaced by Murdanya Shakara.
Murdanya Shakara.
If Chakara goes away, what will happen to this Chakara in between?
Chakara in contact with.
No, the Chakara. You see the Chakara in between. Tra plus Chakara plus Cha is there, right? What will happen to this Chakara, I'm asking? If this Chakara is replaced by Murdanya Shakara, right? What will happen?
Shtutva Sandhi.
Shtutva Sandhi. Where is Shtutva Sandhi? What will happen? You don't see that Shakara here at all in the final form. Is it there in the final form? Pra and Shtum. That Murdanya Shakara is because the Chakara becoming Shakara. And 2 is 2. The 2 becomes 2 because of Shtutvam. What happened to this Chakara is my question.
I think since Chakara changed to Murdanya Shakara, the Tukagama goes away.
Exactly. Because the Chakara has come because of Chakara only. If Chakara itself goes away, what will happen to Chakara? That itself will not be there. The reason for Chakara to come into existence is Chakara. And Chakara itself changing, when the cause itself goes away, what about the effect? Effect goes away. See, Karanam asti, Karyam asti. Karanam nasti chet, Karyam api nasti. Clay is there, pot is there. If clay is not there, what will happen to the pot? Pot goes away. Therefore, chakara goes away. Chakara goes away, becomes murdani shakara by this rule. And what chakara will do? It will disappear. Nimitta apaya, naimittika apayaha. When the nimitta goes, the naimittika also goes away. When the karanam goes, karya goes away. The karanam for chakara to come, that is the tukkagama to come, is chakara. Chakara itself goes away. What will happen to tuk? You understand the logic?
Yes.
You all follow what I'm
Yes.
saying?
Yes. Yeah.
Is it difficult to understand?
No, it takes some time,
It
Sharanji.
hasn't
You need
synced.
to. Yeah, it
Huh?
has to. It
Sorry?
takes some
Hasn't synced
time
yet.
to. Yeah.
What is it, Krishnanji?
It hasn't synced in yet.
Okay. Nimitta apaye, naimittika apayaha. This is a logic. One pure logic. Pot, see, clay is there, pot is there. Clay is not there, what will happen to pot? Clay is karanam. Pot is karya. Karanam asti chet karyaha asti. If you remove the karanam, what will happen to karya? Will it remain there? Goes away. The nimitta for gata to come is clay. Nimitta itself goes away. What will happen to naimittika gata? Goes away. Nimitta apaye, naimittika apayaha. So, this rule, what we just know, saw chakara at the end of the padam or followed by jal will be replaced by murdani shakara, we said. So, chakara replaced by murdani shakara. And the chakara, which is born of this chakara, that will disappear because that itself is not there. It has changed. So, it goes away. So, you get prash plus tum and chakara and in contact with the tu. So, tutva sandhi happens and you get the form prashtum. Okay. So, prach means to ask. That becomes prashtum. Okay. Now, Sumati, please read this.
Yeah. So both of us went to school to ask questions. Avam prashnam prashtum vidyalayam agachav.
Chava. Okay.
A student is preparing to ask a question. Chhatraha prashnam prashtum udyaktaha.
Udyuktaha. That udyuktaha we will see.
Udyaktaha.
Udyaktaha. Yeah, udyaktaha. Actually, udyaktaha, udyuktaha. It must be udyuktaha, the typo, I think. Udyuktaha. Okay, it is not udyaktaha, it is udyuktaha. Okay, so prach becomes prashtum. That much you remember, at least. And the rule, chakara becoming chakara, that also you need to know. You will see that. We'll talk about that. The rules will be going back to the rules again and again. So you will slowly understand those rules, remember the rules. Those two rules, what we saw, one is kutvam, other one is chatvam. I will send through WhatsApp now. You can note it. Later I will send this file once we update. Okay. The example I have given, the other example, you can just understand it as a for the tum. Okay. So you can stop here. Be familiar with the tum pratyaya. That's what we are going to do. We are going to see some examples. Tum. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Have any doubts? Yes? No?
We need some time to
Roji.
go through it once more, Sharanji.
Is it difficult?
No, it's not. But we have to go through.
Roji.
We have to see it.
Please see. So, this, okay. Stop here. Let's go through this. If you have doubts, you can ask. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om I thought you would say I'm going very slowly.
धन्यवाद.
No.
Okay.
Dhanyawad, Sharanji.
Dhanyawad.
धन्यवाद शरणजी.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸರ್.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.